They are fighting. You can see this fight. They are fighting. Oh, the fight has been stopped. Okay, again they started fighting. Again they stopped fighting. Okay, they are swimming, and you can see a water fight right now. Oh my God! Oh my God! Wow, what's going on? They had to learn how to swim, but they are fighting with each other. Oh my God! It's really they are enjoying. Actually, they are not fighting with each other. Seriously, they are not serious. They are just making fun with each other. You have to understand it. Oh my God. Mahi is the loser and Shaun is the winner. Oh my God, Shaun is the winner. What's your name? Hey man, what's your name? Your name. Hey, তোমার নাম কি? তোমার নাম কি? আব্দুল্লাহ। আব্দুল্লাহ হচ্ছে সেমি উইনার, শাওন হচ্ছে উইনার, মাহি হচ্ছে লুজার। And Shaun is getting ready for fight. Shaun is completely ready and Mahi attack. Oh my God, again Mahi failed to attack Shaun.
এটা কি?
Oh my God.
সত্যি কথা চাচ্ছি এসো